Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use the visitor sign-in system when you get an error when the webcam is not loading. So go to your install URL. Once you get that page, click on sign in. Once that loads, you're going to get this little pop-up box that says Adobe Flash Player needs access to your webcam. You might get this kind of a pop-up or just a broken symbol, and you just need to right click and you want to go to settings and you want to click allow and then check mark the box that says remember always. Once you do that, the webcam should load the screen. If it doesn't and you get an error message that it doesn't load, then all you need to do is just go back. I like to just refresh the page again and then hit sign in again, and then it should load. Voila. Now you can do take photo, you can choose your person, set your signature, fill in your first name and last name, and you're all good to go. That's all there is to it. If you guys have any questions, please leave your comments below. Thank you.